Well, good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. It is an absolute privilege to introduce two spectacular products from the Honda family, the all-new Honda City and the all-new ZR-V. Well, we have a lot of exciting details to share today, but first, let me begin with an icon that has stood the test of the times for almost 3 decades, the Honda City. Well, during this time, India has transformed. Our cities have grown, aspirations have evolved, and progress has found a new pace. But throughout this journey, one name that has continuously evolved is the name of Honda City, without losing its core DNA, which makes it special. The city has defined what a sedan means to Indian people because it has not just moved people, but it has moved aspirations. In its current avatar, City has once again redefined the benchmark. It brought the elegant design and segment-first technologies to the forefront. Most importantly, it marked the dawn of Honda's electrification journey in India with the introduction of strong eHEV technology. While you may say the SUV have been gaining popularity, sedans continue as an enduring symbol of pride, comfort, and a driving pleasure. But sedan lovers are evolving too. For them, it's all about feel over function, experiences over possession, and mood over logic. Quite simply, what they make choices is based on their vibe. And for these new age vibe seekers, the grand concept of this new city was born, and we call it as Sharpen. Sharpen design, Sharpen technology, and Sharpen presence. The first impression is unmistakable. The all-new front face is a massive upgrade, engineered with a sharp styling that also enhances the car's aerodynamics. The city has always been packed an athletic heart under the hood, and now is a time the design also manages and matches the high energy soul. Sharper, sportier, more youthful than ever, it is certainly to turn the heads on with a striking new presence. Evolving every line and edge to sharpen the design, the City now is the longest sedan in the segment. Setting a completely new benchmark, this extra length translates into a sharp aerodynamic silhouette. The all-new full LED lighting design gives the new City a piercing, razor-sharp gaze. It lends the car an immediate, commanding face, and in any rear-view mirror, a vibe that commands respect. The all-new bi-LED projector headlights are now standard on all the variants. The new headlight will help you own the night with clear visibility, 2 times wider and longer light beams. Now that is safety with style for the ultimate nighttime vibe. At the rear, sporty clear lens tail lamp and the gloss black garnish meets a redesigned bumper and diffuser. When the new City overtakes the traffic, others will be left staring at this striking vibe. The all-new design are the Aero Blade alloys, finished with a special dark clear coat. Now that's a vibe check for every personality and mood. Now you step inside the city and the experience changes completely. We have created a new cabin atmosphere driven by our grand concept, Sharpen. The first thing you will instantly notice is the magnificent centerpiece, the all-new big size floating touchscreen audio. It is matched perfectly by a cool, soothing ambient illumination system and luxurious ivory leather interiors. Now that's called Instant Vibe Lifter. Introducing the brand new 10.1-inch floating touchscreen audio, the screen's area feels significantly even more commanding, and it is larger even than the other standard widescreen displays in the segment of sedans. And you get multiple options to wirelessly cast your favorites app on it. So, bigger screen, zero cords, clutter-free usability. Now that's smart, intuitive tech for today's generation. We have paired a soothing cabin glow with premium lighting during the night driving. Lighting on the dashboard reflects of a 3D pattern, creating a striking depth feeling. The audio also is framed with an illumination light bar. It provides a visual feedback for your calls, volume, and blind view functions. Now that's the intelligent utility, which also lifts your mood. Comfort isn't just about the overall ambience. It's precise science perfected by the Honda City over the last 3 decades. The new City introduces really stunning, modern, ivory, luxurious leather seats. It also features an active ventilation system for the front row. We have optimized the shape to deliver 40% longer ventilation area. It targets your key high temperature zones of the body for faster cooling. And you look across the entire cabin, premium luxury follows you till the back. Now that is the first class vibe again. Ladies and gentlemen, today's customer demand power, intelligence, and refinement. The new City offers dual powertrain options engineered for today, which are ready for tomorrow as well. You can choose the legendary 1.5-liter petrol iVTEC paired with a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed CVT, or step up to the ultimate tech of a segment-first strong electric hybrid engine. That is thrill, efficiency, and performance delivered effortlessly for a sporty vibe again. Now let me explain the genius behind our intelligent eHEV powertrain. It intelligently shifts between the EV mode to the hybrid mode and the engine drive mode without even you lifting your finger. One moment you are cruising in a stealth mode powered entirely by a whisper-quiet zero-emission electric motor, and the next moment the iVTEC engine seamlessly engages to provide the electric power surge or even directly drive the wheels without even cruising on the wheels. And when you drop your foot on the pedal, get ready for an instant performance. The strong hybrid has the best-in-class 253 Newton meters of instant electric torque right from the standstill. Driven directly by a powerful motor, you get a zero-lag, instantaneous punch. In the real world, and you are in the traffic light to the next and instant pickup, the new City eHEV humbly, rivals all the competition players present in the segment, even the turbo engines. And this is with no complex gears, no heavy multi-clutch transmissions, and absolutely no turbo lag. Now that is pure sporty, tech-forward vibe. Now comes the ultimate plot twist. Usually, when you get such high performance, your fuel economy goes out of the window. But now with the Honda eHEV, the City Hybrid delivers a jaw-dropping fuel economy of 27.26 kilometers a liter. This is the best in its segment. And this happens with absolutely zero charging hassle and also zero range anxieties, no plugging in or waiting, since it is a self-charging as you drive, intelligently matching your pace. This is sensible, eco-friendly engineering built for today and, as I said earlier, future-proof for tomorrow. Well, beyond performance, the true intelligence means safety as well. Guided by our global mission of safety for everyone, the City is pioneered with Level 2 ADAS in this segment. And it still leads the way, offering this tech across hybrid and petrol as well, and that too automatic and manual transmission. Think of it as an invisible co-pilot. It takes stress off the highway cruising, dynamically handles your high beams at night, and also brakes automatically to provide you the mitigation collision system. It watches your back as you can enjoy the drive. Well, okay, under the concept of safety for everyone, we applied a host of active and passive safety technologies along with the latest body frame. The new City achieves the top-class safety performance, and in fact, it is engineered to conquer some tougher tests in the market than even available in the current standards. The result is a confident, reassuring drive in any situation. To completely dominate the city streets, you need to have a total visual control. We are introducing the newly added 360-degree multi-view camera. It is packed with intelligent moving obstacle detection, and it also warns you as you're going to approach any hazard which is around you. It is really out of the segment class. While we aim to evolve the new City for the vibe seekers, it applies a host of premium, intelligent tech that the fans absolutely love. We are not talking here about the one-touch electric sunroof, the next generation Honda Connect telematics, and with multiple charging ports. Now that's a comprehensive suite of premium features. And finally, the true lifestyle upgrade means an absolute peace of mind once you buy the car. We are going to continue to back the City with a class-leading warranty. Today, we are adding a new layer of confidence for the sports hybrid buyers, a comprehensive 5-year, 1 lakh kilometers warranty on all the hybrid system components. Long-term peace of mind so that you can enjoy pure, uninterrupted ownership freedom. Finally, one that the fans have been waiting for, the new black color. Now that's a statement. You can choose your vibe in the total of 6 different shades. Striking on the outside, sporty at the heart, sophisticated on the inside, confident in every drive, and assured long-term peace of mind. This car is built for the new age vibe seekers out there. A mood, a statement, and an extension of your personality. This is a car that fits your energy with sharpened presence and a sporty heart, one you will choose entirely for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the new Honda City, all new vibe. Can we have the AV, please?